Have you ever wondered what actually happens after you put on lipstick? Most people think lipstick simply adds color to their lips, but there's more going on than you might expect. The moment you apply lipstick, a thin layer of waxes, oils, pigments, and other ingredients covers the surface of your lips. This layer helps lock in moisture and creates the color you see in the mirror. But here's something interesting. Throughout the day, a small amount of lipstick can be transferred to cups, food, and even be swallowed. Don't panic. Most cosmetic lipsticks are designed with this in mind and are tested for normal use. Your lips also naturally absorb some ingredients. That's why many lipsticks contain moisturizing agents to help prevent dryness and keep lips feeling soft. However, using old, expired, or low-quality lipstick can sometimes lead to irritation, dryness, or allergic reactions in sensitive people. So, the next time you apply lipstick, remember, it's not just adding color, it's creating a protective layer, moisturizing your lips, and staying with you throughout the day in ways you may never have noticed. Did you know this before? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more surprising everyday facts.